Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto E15, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into boot mode. So to get started, you'll want to hold power button and the volume up and select power off from the options. And when the device turns off, again hold power button and volume up. And in a moment this will take us to the boot mode. There we go. Now in this mode you'll need to use the volume buttons to navigate through the options, which will be visible one by one right here, and you confirm whatever is visible right here with the power button. So going over the options, we have start, which takes us back to Android, restart bootloader, which does basically nothing, recovery mode, power off, barcodes, and we're back to start. So I'm going to confirm this option, then select normal boot, which then takes me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.